This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup homemade easy guide. Start by selecting a clear stock or broth and gather all ingredients on the counter. Chop vegetables evenly and measure spices so cooking stays organized. Sauté aromatics briefly to unlock flavor, then add liquid and simmer gently. Taste and adjust seasoning as the soup reduces, and finish with a fresh herb garnish for brightness before serving. Create depth by browning proteins or roasting bones before simmering them with vegetables and herbs. Start with a hot pan to develop fond, then add onions, carrots, and celery for a classic flavor base. Deglaze with a splash of wine or a touch of vinegar to capture those brown bits. Simmer low and slow to extract richness and skim impurities for a clear, clean-tasting broth. Adjust body by blending some of the soup or adding starches like potatoes, rice, or beans to naturally thicken without heavy cream. Use an immersion blender for control, keeping some texture with whole pieces for contrast. For silky mouthfeel, stir in a small amount of cream, yogurt, or good olive oil at the end off heat. Taste again after thickening and correct salt and acidity before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.